I had like 6 to 7 cysts, which were like really big and they were hurting me a lot. The ashwagandha thing has been helping me. I read about your product and the ingredients. I got myself my ultrasound done last year, February, and I was told that all the cysts have cleared out finally on their own. I mean, over the years to become cyst free was, I think, a huge achievement.
I recently started taking the medicine. 24th of March I started and I got my first spotting on 1st. Within 8 days, I got my first spotting.
I ordered the product. After reducing 15 kgs, my facial hair is little bit low. I am very thankful.
अभी मैंने जो लिया है उससे मुझे बहुत फर्क है. लास्ट मंथ में मुझे पिल्स लेने के बाद में पीरियड आया था.
With a severe case of PCOD, and within 22 to 23 days got my results. So literally I want to say that I'm feeling very happy and I am unable to talk also right now.
पीरियड्स के टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा पेन होता है. अब ये है कि मुझे पेन पता ही नहीं चलता है. सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे इसी से आराम हुआ है. परमानेंट बेड पे ही होना पड़ता था, सिकाई करना, गर्म पानी, बहुत ज़्यादा पेन.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
तो अब ये चीज़ नहीं है. मुझे मतलब पता भी नहीं चलता कि मुझे पीरियड्स हो रहे हैं. इस चीज़ से तो मुझे बहुत फायदा हुआ है.
First webinar I am attending. I am so blessed to see you all.
We are so happy that you people have joined us.
I'm very new to this webinar actually. This is my first webinar. I'm using this since March 15th and yesterday only I got spotting like that and today I have seen bleeding. And,
very good.
Congratulations. Thank you for your support actually.